All right, guys, what's up, world? What's up, YouTube, Telegram, Discord? Crypto Cardi here, showing a face today. Going to show you a killer strategy that's going to change your life if you work a full time. You don't have time to catch signals, and let's say you're trying to be real disciplined and patient, which everybody says on what you have to be, but you need direction on how to do it. And I'm going to show you do it how with a strong confirmation on the day chart. We're going to use the market cipher, which is a paid indicator by CryptoFace. If you don't have that, somebody created a free version, Wave Trend Oscillator by Madhu. If you look at this thing, it's amazing. It looks the same, nearly the same. Different kind of color scheme, but same. So we're going to close that. So we're going to just go through some examples to kind of give you an idea of how powerful this is. So these dots on that print in the day chart are powerful. Now, clearly, the day chart takes days to play out, right? So, but sometimes part of it plays out a few hours after it prints, which I'll show you. So, there was a red dot printed 8 p.m. Eastern, because I'm in the East Coast, for Bitcoin, 9/3, right? Now, this day chart, like even though it melted here, it's still playing out. It's still gonna drop lower. That's a big engulfing candle. But let me show you how you can catch part of the move. So 9/3. So this is 9/3 on a small time frame. We're on an hour chart here. Now, if you look, this is 9/3 here. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. No momentum came up. Red dot came. And Bitcoin sold from 11/3 to 10/4. Look at that. Boom, boom, right? Let's say you missed the entry, right? What I'm looking for is these blue waves. Since I know I want to sell it, I don't want to see a blue wave up because the blue wave stands for momentum, right? So here there was no momentum up. Red dot came, and this yellow thing is a VWAP. So when it's done taking its shape, like there's a meter here, 0. When it's above 0, it's bullish. So it was above 0, but no momentum came. So once that thing kind of went back down with the red dot, you take it. Let's say you missed it, right? You just wait for that again, right here. So this came the next day, 9/4. Bitcoin was 10/4. It dropped to 9,958. So that's 500 pips in an hour because it's an hour time frame. Just like that, you just be patient and then look, it kind of happened. It's happening right now, but you just got to be patient with it. Be disciplined. Like we knew there was a red dot here, so that's what we're going to look for. That setup, you know. We're going to talk about US 30, gold, and maybe GBP, JPY, depending on how long this video is going to be. So US 30, red dot printed 9/3 at 6 p.m. Eastern right here. All right, so that's when they print for the indices here in the East Coast. So we're at 9/4 the next day because 6 p.m. Eastern. This is New York session now, 9:30, right? We know we're going to sell. We look for the setups here. We look. You could have caught this earlier right here because it sold a little bit, right? But New York session for the indices are very volatile. So if you find that dot just like this, no momentum up, red dot came at 9:30. Look at that. From this candle alone, 28.5 to 28.32 is 2,000 pips on the 15-minute candle, depending on the broker. You have 2,000 pips, and we're not even talking about this rest of this move that happened here. That's how powerful the day chart is, though. Might be another crash, but we'll talk about that in another video. We'll go to gold. All right, that's the gold day chart. We'll go back. What is this? 8.5. We'll go to 8.5, right? Oh, 8.5. Okay, cool. So what are we looking for again? Because we saw a green dot, right? And even though it's overbought, right? There's no momentum came down. So this is the overbought area. No momentum came down. Green dot on the day. Small time frame. This is 8.5. Same setup. If you were patient, right? You waited till you seen that setup coming. Green dot came. Now his first candle was a dud, but after that, 2,200. I'm sorry, 2020 to 2037 and one candle. That's 170 pips, and it still went up to like it still went up more pips, 50 more pips hours later. You just gotta be patient and wait. You know, you could have even got in here. Oh my God, yeah, and this was, oh my God, this was it right here. Before it got overbought. 1973. Yeah, I'm not even gonna count those pips there, but y'all see it though. We did gold. This is gold, GBP, JPY. All right, we're gonna do a GBP, JPY. We'll do this one here, all right? Forex pairs move a little slower, but GBP, JPY is one of the fastest moving Forex pairs. So, no momentum came down, green dot, right? 826. And as you can see how powerful the day chart is, look how it kept playing out for days. Now, this is only 200 pips, which is a big move, but like, you know, it's, well, 300 pips actually, 300. But it's a Forex pair. But anyway, we'll go to a small time frame, right? And here it is right here, because that was 826, cool. 827 right here. You had another entry here too, and another entry here. But let's do this so y'all can see. This is the entry. Do I still have this? No. Another entry. But pretty much, boom. No momentum came down. VWAP was at the bottom when it was bearish. It came back up. Price shot up. Right? This is 80 pips right here. You know what I'm saying? Then you had your re-entry right here. And it kept going up. Like 100 pips right there. So yeah. So this is just another way for people that, you know, you don't want to really scalp. You want to, you don't mind swinging something that's kind of have, you know, a high probability of happening. Then you gotta use a day chart, because you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to scalp every day. You don't do that to yourself if you losing money. Try this on a day chart. You know, market Cipher is a paid indicator, but wave trend oscillator is free. It's right here. You know what I mean? I hook up. This is the stochastic. You don't have to use it, but I use it to confirm the movements. MACD, you don't have to use it. Just try it out for yourself. Try it demo and see how it goes. You know, it works for stocks too. I'll do another video on that. Don't want to keep you guys too long. I have a trading group too, Wolf of Wall Street community. The link will be in the description. It's going to be a paid group. Right now it's free to get in. So definitely in that link in the description, join, because it's going to be paid soon. So I'll see y'all later. Hopefully, you know, you guys use this strategy and let me know what you think. Later, guys.